Hey guys, it's Bashira of Bashira Made It, and if you're here, it looks like you're ready to get started with step 1 of the Harem Pants sewing tutorial. You guessed it, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop for new patterns and other goodies, and lastly, make sure you click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As a small business, we ask you to not resell or reproduce this pattern, and we thank you. Now let's get started. Okay, so at this point you should have at least 3 yards of fabric at 60 inches wide. Lay out your pattern pieces and cut them out. Now don't forget you can use this space to cut out your other pocket and the remainder of the fabric to cut out the other pant and the cuff. Okay, so now you're going to grab your elastic and you're going to overlap the elastic ends, grab a couple straight pins and pin them in place. And it's going to look something like this. Okay, great. Okay, so now you're going to stitch your elastic closed. And either you can stitch it into a rectangle shape or you can just stitch it back and forth a few times just to make sure it's secure. Okay guys, everything looks pretty good here. All of our pieces are cut, and we'll be wrapping this up and moving on to step 2 of the Harem Pants sewing tutorial.